Excell Battery has multiple manufacturing locations in North America. Why do you think that's so important?
Oh, it's one of the reasons I came to this company. We're based in Vancouver, Calgary, Toronto, and Houston. For the oil and gas market, Calgary and Houston are mirror images of each other. And therefore, clients, we can service them right out our back door. We can bring them batteries within a phone call. There is a standard operating procedure for every single battery that we manufacture. The QC is unbelievable. What sets us apart from, I think, other manufacturers is the way that we cure our product through the RTVs that we use. We have experienced people that work in our facility with over 18 years experience. We've been building batteries for almost 30 years. We go out and buy only the best components. There's times where you could possibly get something that's just rated for a 165C. We buy 200C. We cover all the bases. When you buy from Excell, you have inventory to support your operation. If we see that you're going to buy a certain battery, we're going to have it in stock. Everyone has our cell numbers, and it doesn't matter. We get called all the time, and we jump into action, and that's just what it's all about. That's the fun time.